The monkey gland is a classic, yet somewhat intriguingly named cocktail that dates back to the 1920s. It is a striking combination of gin, orange juice, grenadine, and absinthe. The drink boasts a balance of sweetness and herbal complexity, making it an adventurous pick for cocktail enthusiasts. You will need the following ingredients: 1½ ounces gin. Choose a good quality gin to enhance the flavor. 1½ ounces fresh orange juice. Freshly squeezed works best for a vibrant, refreshing taste. 1 drop absinthe, just a drop. Too much can overpower the drink. 1 dash grenadine. Use a high-quality grenadine for best results. For equipment you will need cocktail shaker, strainer, jigger or measuring tool, ice, chilled cocktail glass. Here are the instructions. Fill the cocktail shaker with ice. Add 1½ ounces of gin and 1½ ounces of fresh orange juice into the shaker. Add 1 drop of absinthe and 1 dash of grenadine into the mix. Shake well for about 15 to 20 seconds until the mixture's chilled. Strain the mixture into a chilled cocktail glass. Garnish with an orange twist if desired. The monkey gland was created by Harry McElhone, the famous bartender and owner of Harry's New York bar in Paris. The name of the drink is a nod to a controversial medical procedure from the early 20th century that involved grafting monkey testicle tissue into humans.